Have you ever wondered why some people seem to hit every goal they set while you're stuck spinning your wheels? You set big goals, you get excited, but somewhere along the way, the momentum fades and frustration takes over. You ask yourself, what am I doing wrong? Here's the truth. It's not because you're not smart enough or working hard enough. You just need the right approach. In this video, I'll share the 7 key reasons people fail to reach their goals and how you can finally break the cycle in 2025. Step 1, you're not clear on what you want. Here's the first question. Do you even know exactly what you want? Not just, I want to be successful or I want to be fit. Those are nice, but they're way too vague. Imagine driving to a new place, but not knowing the address. What happens? You get lost, right? That's exactly what's happening when you don't have a clear, specific goal. So here's what I want you to do. Grab a pen and paper, write down exactly what you want. Get specific. What does success look like for you? The clearer you are, the easier it'll be to find your way there. Step 2, you don't have a plan. Okay, now you know what you want, but guess what? Without a plan, you're still stuck. Think about it. Would you try to build a house without a blueprint? Of course not. Your goals are the same. They need a step-by-step plan. Break your goal down into small, manageable tasks. Take it step by step. That's how you go from dreaming to doing. Step 3, fear is holding you back. Let's talk about fear. Fear of failure, fear of making mistakes, fear of looking silly. It's natural. We all feel it. But here's the truth. Fear is what's stopping you from moving forward. Here's a game changer. Failure isn't bad. It's part of the process. Every time you fail, you learn something new. So take the first step, no matter how small. Just start. Step 4, you're not consistent enough. Here's the hard truth. You're not reaching your goals because you're not showing up consistently. Motivation gets you started, but consistency is what keeps you going. Build a daily habit around your goal. Small, consistent actions add up to big results over time. Step 5, you're not holding yourself accountable. Another reason you're stuck? No accountability. When there's no one checking in on you, it's easy to make excuses. Find an accountability partner. It could be a friend, a mentor, or a group. Knowing someone is watching can give you the push you need. Step 6, you're not celebrating progress. Here's a big one. You're not celebrating the small wins. If you don't take the time to acknowledge your progress, you'll feel stuck, even when you're moving forward. Every step counts. Celebrate those milestones. Step 7, you're not adapting. Sometimes your strategy just isn't working, but you keep doing the same thing, hoping for a different result. Be willing to change. Flexibility is the key to long-term success. So there you have it, a clear roadmap to finally reach your goals. Start with clarity, build a plan, face your fears, stay consistent, hold yourself accountable, celebrate your wins, and most importantly, be willing to adapt. The question is, are you ready to take the first step?